Greetings all, my name is JD from Studio 2105. Welcome back to Direct Access MixStream. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Beyerdynamic Creator 24 bundle. If you're new to this channel, a warm welcome to you. Please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and don't forget to click on the notification bell as well so that you'll be updated every time I put out a brand new video. To sign up for the email list, and if you want to become a patron, head on down to our Patreon website at the link below. First things first, a big thank you to Tecxel Global Resources for sending this review unit. Right, they've been an amazing partner, right, to both the studio and also the direct access community, supporting us during the music production workshops. Now, the Creator 24 bundle consists of a single Fox USB microphone, a pair of DT240 PRO headphones, and a single license for the Cubase LE DAW software from Steinberg. Also available is the Creator Pro bundle, which includes a 32 ohm DT770 Pro in place of the DT240. If you're shopping for a microphone and you're not sure whether to get a USB or a regular XLR microphone, I suggest checking out this video that I made a while back, correct? Just click on it and it will take you to that video. The USB microphone playing field is packed with dozens of options nowadays, ranging from basic models to premium ones with more advanced features, right, such as multiple polar patterns, direct monitoring, and other input and output options. The Fox USB microphone dispenses with all the fancy bells and whistles and focuses on one thing that Beyerdynamic is known for: quality. It connects via USB-C, and like any other USB mic, is a plug-and-play device. Installation is a breeze, taking only a couple of seconds before you're up and running, and it is compatible with Windows, PC, Mac, and iOS devices. It has a 1/8 inch headphone output with a separate volume and blend control. Very handy as it allows you to adjust the balance between the mic and playback signals. It has a switchable gain settings between a high and low gain levels, allowing to optimize for both loud and softer sound sources. There is a mute button which allows the user to easily switch off the mic while still hearing the output from the computer. The Fox comes with a proprietary pop filter which snaps onto the chassis of the mic. It also has a desk stand which is stable, well padded I can say, but can also be mounted on a tripod or a mic stand with the typical 3/8 inch mount. As mentioned earlier, the bundle comes with a single license for Cubase LE. As you know, I've been a lifelong Cubase user, a big Cubase fan, so I'm definitely liking this as it allows a beginner to easily learn the basics of operating a DAW, getting into Cubase without a steep learning curve of the pro version of the software. And rounding off the entire package is a pair of DT240 PRO headphones. Very nice. Alright, let's check out what's inside the box. So here we go. Beyerdynamic Creator 24 mobile recording bundle with Cubase. Let's check it out. Right, monitoring headphones, USB microphone, Cubase recording software, and alright, we've got some specs here. Right, these are the specs of the headphones and the microphone. So the DT240 Pro frequency response is from 5 to 35,000 Hertz. Operating principle: this is a closed back headphone, so this is going to be suitable for both tracking and also for mixing. Nominal impedance 34 ohms, so 34 ohms is going to work well with the USB microphone, the Fox itself, but this is going to be really suitable for consumer devices as well, so no problem in driving the volume on these headphones. So let's check out the Fox. The Fox frequency response 20 to 20,000 Hertz, transducer type condenser, polar pattern cardioid. Okay, time to open up the box itself. Let's check it out. One thing I've got to say, when it comes to Beyerdynamic, right, and some of the more premium brands like would say I would describe, is that definitely the packaging, right, is gonna be a lot more in detail. So this is the big box, and inside there we've got two other boxes. We got the one box for the DT240 PRO, the headphones. Let me put this aside. And another box here for the Fox USB microphone. So let me just put this main box out of the way first. Okay, let me just keep this over here. And so there you go, right? And a little brochure with a Cubase license code. Oh, okay, all right. Again, I've got to censor this. Hopefully you don't see it, okay? Because there is a license code. So two more boxes. Alright, the Fox USB microphone and the DT240 PRO. Let's start off, okay, with the USB microphone, because that's pretty much, the highlight of this bundle here. So let's check out the box. Again, this looks really premium, super classy, right? Really expensive packaging. So there we go. Let's take this one out. And we've got another box in here. Let's open it up. And oh man, the box is so nice. I don't want to spoil it, so I'm going to be really gentle. Okay, nice little foam insert. Again, man, this is all quality. And this is like some more brochures and information specs on the Beyerdynamic Fox and user manual. Very nice. Okay, so again, let's put this aside first. There we go. You can see the microphone, you can see the pop filter. Let's check it out. So here's the mic. Again, it's seated very snugly inside the in fact, it's seated so well that I'm finding it hard to take out. There we go. There we go. Okay, here's the microphone itself, the Beyerdynamic Fox. And man, this guy weighs pretty substantial. It looks small, but actually it's pretty heavy, right? So I actually got, what else do they have here? Let me take it out first. So here's the mic itself. Right. We've got a couple of things here. This is the integrated pop filter, very cool. USB-C cable, nice gold orange color, right? So you won't get mixed up. And what else is down here? This is the stand. This is the desktop stand that comes along with it, right? It's got a nice wide base, which is padded at the bottom, and your obligatory silica gel, and that's it, right? Okay, very cool. Let me keep this here first. Let me kind of put these things out of the way so that it will be easier to see. Let me put this back. Everything about the the user experience in opening up the package is awesome. So user manual, let's check it out. It's available in both English and German. So maintenance tips, how to service. This one detailing all the controls used with a PC Mac. Okay, installation, right? As far as I know, installation is a super breeze, right? I've installed this on both PCs and also Macs as well. Literally plug and play, no issues whatsoever. I've never had an issue, right? You can also use this with a smartphone, but you will need an adapter, I think, right? Either for Android or for iOS. All right, application, right? How to set the gain sensitivity, all right? How to operate the monitor mix, the mute button, and all that. Very good. It shows you also how to fix the stand. And oh, okay, that's pretty much it. And then the rest is all in German. Yeah, okay, very good, right? Simple enough, Very, very detailed. Okay. Now I actually took a bit of a look. I have some extra info here which I took from the Beyerdynamic website. So let me just sort of read it out to you lah, okay? The element type, it's an electret condenser, right? That's typical, right? Of all USB mics are, they're usually electrets. So the diaphragm width and thickness, this is a large diaphragm, okay? It doesn't say exactly how what exactly is the diameter of the diaphragm, but if you say large diaphragm, right, I'm assuming that this is 1 inch. It's a bit hard to see, right? It looks like it could be an inch, which is cool. Polar pattern is cardioid, right? Mentioned before. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20K, that's usual. Now there's one thing, all right, which I found. Again, this is not available inside the manual, but you can refer to this on the Beyerdynamic website. The max SPL here, right, is 97.5 dB SPL at 1 kilohertz. Now this is a very important point, right? You might be thinking that, hey, 97.5 dB SPL, that's not very high, you know? This means that, you know, very loud sources will distort the microphone. Comparatively speaking, if you, let's say a full-fledged professional condenser microphone, you are looking at, you know, at least 130, 140 dB, right? Max SPL, some even going as high as 150, you know, plus SPL nowadays, okay? But here's the thing. I've, you know, reviewed and I've checked out other USB microphones as well. So some of them, they tout, you know, they put the specs there, 127 dB SPL, the max SPL and all that. But I noticed that they distort very, very easily. So it's like, there's no way that, you know, that max SPL is like 120, 130 dB lah. So this is great. They are very, very honest, and Beyerdynamic is super, super honest with their with the specifications and the performance of their products. Again, it's on the website. There is a data sheet. I'll try and put up the image up on the video. It comes with a frequency response chart and also the polar pattern chart. Now, the frequency response chart there, you can actually see there is a 10 dB drop at 9K. When I first looked at it again, it looks shocking. It's like, wow, 10 dB drop at 9 kilohertz. But here again, kudos to Beyerdynamic. They are super, super honest. They are very transparent about their product, right, and how it performs. It could be, you know, the way that the mic is designed. It could be some kind of you know, shadowing, right, at about that 9K region, which is causing that drop lah. But at least Beyerdynamic is super, super honest. They're honest about their performance. Some other specs, right? Bit depth sample rate is 24-bit, 96K, excellent. And body construction, this is aluminum and steel. Accessories, USB cables, product weight 500 grams. It's about half a kilo. It feels really substantial, okay, for something like this. Again, it's a good sign of quality. And let's put this aside and let's open up the headphones. So DT240 professional monitoring headphones, all right, very, very nice. Okay, so let's check it out. It's not easy to open the box. I don't want to ruin the box because the box looks so nice. Okay, here we go. So it's inside a little plastic insert tray, and again, wow, really, really nice, right? The packaging looks really premium. So here we go. Let's take out the headphones. Oh, okay. Looks like I've got to take out some of these. Oh, it's tied here with some cable ties. It's so well secured, right? Again, this means that, you know, the great thing about this is that when it's shipping time, when it comes time to ship it, it's gonna be really, really secure. All right, so there we go. And here's the headphones itself. Very light, very, very nice. Okay, so these are over-ear headphones. This is again typical, right? If you are very, very familiar with the DT770s, DT990s, these also have that same soft feel that we have in there. And we have what's behind here. This is this is nicely taped. This should be the carrying pouch and also the cables. Yeah, right. Okay, cables, right? Nice. These are the coil type. You've also got, right, the adapter plug as well. Very good. Let me put the thing away. And once again, they really outdo themselves, Beyerdynamic. This is a very nice pouch, kind of a bag for the headphones. So yeah, there you go, the Beyerdynamic DT240 PRO headphones that comes along with the Creator 24 bundle. Okay, so I mentioned there's also the Pro bundle. So the only difference between the Pro bundle and the this one is that one comes with the DT770, which is the big brother of this. Okay, but right, the price difference isn't that much actually. So for just a little bit extra, right, I do recommend going for the Pro if you have the budget for it, because it's a big jump, right, from the DT240 to the 770. Not to say the DT240 is not great. These are excellent headphones, right, for their price. But if you can take a step above, the DT770 would be excellent indeed. Okay, as I mentioned, right, these are 34, it says 34 ohms, right? So easily powered by both the Beyerdynamic and most devices, including consumer devices. You can use it for listening to your smartphones, your MP3 players and such. So there you have it. That's it, right? That's the unboxing. Let's wrap things up. So there you have it, the Beyerdynamic Creator 24 bundle. I absolutely love the Beyerdynamic Fox microphone. I personally use it. I use it for like everything from video calls to live streams, and even for some simple recordings on the go as well. I just love the sound quality. The build quality as well is excellent. As I mentioned earlier, right, doesn't have all the fancy features and all the fancy things such as multi-pattern microphones. It just focuses on one thing, and that is synonymous with Beyerdynamic. That is the quality. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave your questions and your feedback down in the comments below, and do check out the rest of the videos that I have on the channel as well. Big thank you again to Tecxel Global for the microphone, for lending me this unit to check out. If you want to get your hands on this microphone, right, I'll leave the contact details down in the video description below. If you found this video useful and informative, please do leave a like, do share, and if you haven't done so, please do click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell. Once again, do consider becoming a patron down at the website below, and I'll see you in the next video real soon. Happy recording and mixing. Peace, love, and music.